First grade, today you're getting your mask face back, and I'm going to teach you a couple different techniques. In the front of the room, there's a big giant bin of scrap paper. The first thing that I'm going to teach you is if you want to make the same thing twice or more than once, you're going to fold the paper, okay? When you fold the paper, you can draw on the shape that you want it to be, and then because it's folded in half, you hold them together, you cut, and you will get 2. If you fold it 3 times, you'll get 3. So this here will get the start basic eyes if I wanted to. Now I have 2 eyes, okay? So I can set those aside. I can also layer colors. Remember when I showed you the slideshow, it was more interesting if you layered things. Then I'm going to show you the zigzag. To make a zigzag, you're going to fold it one direction, flip it over, fold it the other direction, flip it over, and you just keep moving it over and over again and folding it back, and that creates a zigzag. Now you can do hair, ears, you could do a nose this way, however you want. You could set it up like eyebrows. Also, if you wanted to make a heart, you could take a piece of paper, fold it in half. You're going to draw just half of the heart, like that. And then keeping it held together, you're going to cut it out and turn the paper. And when you open that up, then you get one full heart. You are also going to be curling, so you can curl on a pencil. Very good for hair and all sorts of things. It even could be a tongue. And let's see, and a cone. To make a cone, you actually just cut out a circle, and then you cut a slit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put glue on one side, and then you're going to fold it over and hold it. And that will have it kind of pop out like this shape. And I do have a little overhanging, so I'm just going to trim it a little. That is how you make a cone. Now cones can be eyes, they could be a nose, they could be crazy teeth, they could be hair, they could be ears, but the great thing about them is that they're not flat, so you can kind of see on the red paper it pops out. So there you have zigzag, curl, cone, doubling things, and making hearts. And that's where we're going to start today to assemble our mask. After you have what you need down, then you're going to just start gluing it all on. So I think I'm going to make cone eyes, but I'm also going to put a color behind them. And I'll have my hanging one up on the board so you can see all of the different layers of colors that I'm going to be using. Let's see if I wanted to make 2 circles. So I'll be continuing to work on mine. It'll be hanging for you to see it on the top of the board. You just can have fun and keep adding. Make sure you're doing a nice, neat job with cutting and gluing. Hop little dots don't squirt from above. If you drag the tip of the glue onto the paper, it's a lot thinner of a line, and then you're going to start gluing it onto your mask today. All right, let's have some fun making our masks.